There are different Indo-European languages spoken in the British Isles. English is a Germanic language and began to develop in the 5th century AD, when Anglo-Saxon tribes invaded Britain. The other languages are Celtic. They are Welsh, Irish Gaelic, Scottish Gaelic, Manx Gaelic, and Cornish. During the Roman occupation and before the Anglo-Saxon invasion, the historic native tongue of most of Britain was Brythonic, similar to Welsh. A direct descendant of Brythonic is Cornish, the native language of Cornwall, a region in the southwest Britain. It died out as a spoken language in the 18th century, but it has recently been revived and nowadays around 300 people speak it fluently. Modern Welsh is spoken by roughly 20% of the population in Wales, and is compulsory to study it at school because it's the official language together with English. A third of the population of Ireland overall speak Irish Gaelic, and the majority of the population speak English. Scottish Gaelic was introduced from Ireland about 6th century AD, so it's closely related to Irish. It's spoken primarily in the Highlands and in the Western Isles. Unfortunately, the use of the language nowadays is declining. Manx Gaelic is the native language of the population of the Isle of Man. Nowadays, it's spoken by 2% as the second language.